So right there, that's all the way back here. Should be about, oh. Okay. Should be about, I'm gonna go with 67.5. Yeah, we can do that. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be making some custom side skirts for the Rx7. I'm probably going to try to make my own. I've been looking at the feed side skirts for the Rx7, but they're literally like $200, and I believe all they are ABS plastic, which is, I mean, I can get that from any hardware store really. So I think I'm going to go to probably Lowe's or Home Depot, get the ABS plastic. I've already measured it, as you seen in the beginning of the video. Measured the side skirt, because you know on the Rx7 there's really no side skirt. It's just really pretty much the body of the car there. They don't really have side skirts. So I'm gonna add my own once I make these, and then I have some extra parts that I'm gonna add to the side skirts that's gonna make it look really nice. There's gonna be some extensions that come on the side. Just stay tuned for that. I gotta wait for those parts to come in. But as of right now, we're gonna go to Home Depot and see if they have the ABS plastic so I can get these side skirts made. And then once I get back, I'll put them on the car and get you guys tuned in so we can see what's going on. So, getting the trim from Home Depot. This is the trim I'm going to use. Make sure whenever you get the trim, you get the flexible one, not the wooden one. This is the flexible one so that you can use it for your car. Alright, so getting ready to leave Home Depot. I picked up 2 pieces. These are like ABS style plastic. You're gonna need paint. You're gonna have to paint it black, or because they have it in white and brown. So you're gonna have to paint it black to the color that you want. The total price, because I actually picked up some self-tapping screws. You may not need these. You could probably use 2-way sticky tape. But the total price was $24.16. This is compared to $188 or $200 for some ABS plastic side skirts. Now I'm gonna go home, try to paint these up and get these installed so you guys can see what's going on. Alright guys, I'm in the process of making these side skirts. These are the same ones from Home Depot that I picked up. Went to Walmart, picked up a paint prep wipe. You want to clean the surface of it first. Make sure it's wiped down. Get your cloth like this. Dry it off, clean it up. The paint that I picked up is a Creline black. I mean, these might be temporary. I'm probably not going to use them that long. Just set them on there like this. And basically you want to paint over them. If you get white, because they do have the white, you want to primer them first, because black on white, if they start to chip, you're gonna see white everywhere. So I prefer you to primer them. With this one, since they were like a dark brown black, I went ahead and just sprayed them black and did like at least 2 coats and used the heat gun and dried them up. Pulling in my truck right now because I'm going to use the jack to probably jack up the sides of the Rx7 so I can get these put on. They're actually longer than you need, so you're gonna have to tape them off. I use frog tape and measuring tape. Keep coming. All right, you good? I use frog tape, measuring tape, and some of these, because I don't have a saw cutter, and just sliced them pretty decently. And right now I'm gonna get the jack out and then try to jack the car up. I did get 2-way sticky tape, but I'm not sure it's gonna stick with the paint, so we're about to jack it up and then see what we can do from there. All right, so this is after it's painted. I put a section of 3M tape right along the center. Now we're gonna take it towards the car. So these should be your makeshift skirts right here. So after doing that, basically what you're gonna do is take it, set it along here. So as you can see on the Rx7, the body is pretty straightforward, and then it flares out, so it causes the side skirt not to stick out as much. So if you're gonna do this on the Rx7, I advise you, I'm gonna show you the parts that I ordered. There's some flares. They basically come out like that and they come up that you can add to these. So I'm gonna add those to the back of these. But as far as right now, I'm gonna use this whole side skirt piece right here and install that, you know, the whole way through here. So let me just go ahead and take this 3-way sticky tape off, and then I'm gonna try to mount this up and see if it mounts. I'm not sure if it's gonna mount. If not, I did get screws, and then we're gonna try to drill it up. All right, so after you basically get your skirt all set up, what I'm using is Tex lath screws. They're basically self-tapping screws, and they pretty much go through damn near anything on this. But they don't create big holes, and then they have like a small washer to keep the screw from going all the way through. So you want to use screws like this. So basically, I'm using just a regular drill. You don't want to drill all the way across. So you're only going to drill maybe like 2 up front to hold the front, 1 right here, 1 in the middle, and then probably 1 at the end. You don't need a lot of screws for this. So basically, you want to take your drill. Make sure you get the side skirt exactly where you want it, so that you're not drilling just random holes into your in the bottom of the section of the car. And then start it off slowly. And now that's up there. I got pretty much screws all the way down. The way I did it, my driveway is really skinny, so I have to kind of like maneuver the jack in a certain way. So now, since I've got the front section up, I'll have to drop the jack, move the jack to the front section so that I can get the rear section. I already got the side skirt on this other side over here, so I don't know if you guys can see it. This is how the side skirt basically looks. It's pretty dark. All right, guys, it is about 2 days later. It ended up getting dark in the last clip. It ended up raining on me, man. I just took the car to work today. But here's a look at how the side skirts look during the daytime. I know I need to take it out, get you guys a full view. But here's how the skirts that I made look during the daytime. When the car's out of the driveway, it looks way better. You can actually see it. Maybe you can see it better from this side. You can see it. I gotta take my car cover and wash it again. And the extra parts that I was talking about actually came in today. These are the side pieces. How I was explaining to you guys that it goes straight down, and on the Rx7 it curves out right here. These are the flare pieces that I ordered. So basically what you would do, there's 4 holes at the bottom. You would just take it, line it up right here in the rear location where you want it at, and then now you got a splitter piece that basically comes out near the back, and it basically lines up with the rest of the side skirt since it curves out like that. And now you got an extra piece that sticks out like that. So probably I'm gonna wash my car cover and then wait till the weather clears up, because it is very cloudy, and then I'll install these here probably today, later on today. And then later on I do have another surprise that should be showing up for the rear, maybe a diffuser. We'll have to see. But that's the side skirts, guys. It's a DIY for any car basically. The straighter it is, the better it is. Just for the Rx7, since it has a curve at the body, I decided to add these extra slots right here, and I think these were like 20 bucks. That was 20 bucks, so total side skirts about $50 instead of $200. You can save money. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Here's another quick view. Side skirts. I swear, when the car is out and it's like driving or parked, you can see them way better. They really do make a big difference. They are flexible, and they're pretty sturdy. They ain't going nowhere, so they're gonna stay on there. Once the car's washed and cleaned up, I'm pretty sure they'll look a lot better. It just rained. My car cover came off because of the wind, so I have to rewash the car again. But right now I'm about to wash the car cover. But make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. I appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers. I see y'all clicking, I see y'all subscribing. Hopefully I can just reach the subscriber count and watch time, and we can start making moves, man. But there's my Instagram. You you guys ain't follow my Instagram, go follow my Instagram. But I appreciate the support. Thank you. All right, guys. So here are the side skirts with the piece added on, as you can see. And there's the flare piece that I added. Go to the other side. It actually looks really good in person. It's hard to show on camera for some reason, but it looks extremely good. So these are the do-it-yourself side skirts. Home Depot, eBay for 20 bucks. Add it all together. Looks real good.